Hi everyone, today I want to show you a reward that I got from YouTube. Then I will show how to get it. This is free, and I never lie, so it will work. Thanks for 500 subscribers. Okay, now to show you how I got this. The best thing about this is that it could be any milestone. This does have a watermark, but I covered it up with YouTube mark. Okay, so you will need an Android or Apple device. And get this app. It's free, so don't worry. Go into the app and sign in. This app is great for YouTube, so if you're serious about YouTube, then keep it. Just follow my screen. Okay.